For this workshop task, our objective is to update the HR objects and the field definitions to support the change requests. Let's look at the existing configuration. The place of birth and birth name, though visible, are not set to required. The nationality field in the personal information block is yet to be set as mandatory. In the job information, it's currently missing working days per week and employment type fields. For employees in Germany, such as Paul Horn, country of company, pay scale level, and group fields are not configured. In the same manner, the termination screen for Germany doesn't include the notice of termination date. We cannot use the pay group field as criterion for permission grouping. The pay group field is not yet synchronized to employee profile. For permissions, an HR must have full access to all job information fields. A manager must have full access to the employment details. And employee self-service must not be able to insert a new record in the personal information history. Now, let's check the system to verify if we completed all the required tasks. After configuring the properties, the birth name and the place of birth in the biographical information are now mandatory. In the same manner, the same setting has been applied to the nationality field in the personal information. For the job information, the working days per week and employment type has been enabled. The country of company, pay scale level, and group fields have been enabled for German employees. The notice of termination date is now visible in the termination screen for German employees. The pay group field can now be used as a permission category. The data is now synchronized between compensation information and employee profile whenever the pay group is updated. We have also updated the permissions to allow HR to have full access to the employee's job information. Managers now have edit permission to the employment details. And finally, the employee's self-service permission has been restricted to only view the current and historical records.